Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a drugstore. In this video, you will follow a simple and realistic story about shopping for everyday items like skincare products and toothpaste. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What does Mina want to buy for her dry skin? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Hey, Mina, we're here. This is the drugstore I told you about.
Oh, it looks nice. And it's really big. There are so many things in here.
Yeah, it is. I come here sometimes to buy shampoo and things like that.
That's nice. I didn't know there was a big drugstore near the station.
Yeah, it opened about 6 months ago. It's very convenient.
I can see that. There are so many different products on the shelves.
So what are you looking for today? You said you wanted to buy something.
Yes, I need something for my skin. My skin has been very dry lately. It's really bothering me.
Oh, that sounds uncomfortable. Is it because of the weather?
I think so. The air is very dry this time of year, so I want to find a good face cream and maybe a face wash too.
Okay, that makes sense. Let's find those things for you.
Thank you, Ken. That's really nice of you. Do you need anything today?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe I'll find something while we're shopping. I think I might need some things for the bathroom.
Okay, we can look for your things too. Let's start with the skincare products first, though.
Sure, that sounds like a good plan. Let's go.
I hope they have good skincare products here. I've been looking for a good face cream for a while now.
I'm sure they do. This store has a lot of different things. I think you'll find something good.
I hope so. Okay, let's find the skincare section.
Where is the skincare section? Do you see it anywhere?
I'm not sure. There are so many sections in this store. It's hard to find things.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Let me look around. I see medicine over there on the right side, and I see shampoo over here on the left.
Oh, shampoo. Maybe the skincare section is near the shampoo section. Let's check over there.
Good thinking. That makes sense. Let's go.
Okay, let's walk over to the shampoo section and see.
All right, here we are. I can see shampoo and conditioner and hair products.
Yes, I see those too, but I don't see any face cream or skincare products here.
You're right. This is all hair stuff. There's nothing for the face here.
That's strange. Where could the skincare section be? I thought it would be near the shampoo.
Me too. But I guess this store is different. Maybe the skincare products are in another area.
Maybe we should ask someone who works here. A store clerk can help us find it quickly.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I don't want to spend too much time looking around.
I think I see a clerk over there. She's near the front of the store, by the entrance.
Oh, you're right. I can see her. Let me go ask her.
Okay, I'll wait here for you. Good luck.
Thanks. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere.
Don't worry, I'll stay right here.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
Thank you. I'm looking for skincare products. Where can I find them?
Skincare products? Sure. They're in the back of the store.
In the back of the store? Oh, I see. We were looking near the shampoo, but we couldn't find them.
That's a common mistake. Many people think skincare products are next to the shampoo section, but in our store, they are in a different section.
I see. So how do I get to the skincare section?
It's easy. Do you see that big sign over there? The one that says beauty?
Oh, yes, I can see it now. The big blue sign, right?
That's the one. The skincare products are right under that sign. It's on the left side. Just walk straight and you'll see it.
On the left side, under the blue sign. Got it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. We have face cream, face wash, and many other skincare products there.
That's great. Actually, my friend is looking for a face cream for dry skin. Do you have something good for that?
Yes, we do. We have several good face creams for dry skin. There are different brands and different prices. I think your friend will find some good choices there.
Good to know. We'll go check it out right now.
Please take your time. And if you need more help, please ask me anytime. I'll be right here.
Thank you very much. You've been very kind.
No problem at all. I hope you find what you're looking for. Enjoy your shopping.
Thank you. We will. Mina, I found the skincare section. The clerk told me it was in the back of the store, and she was right. It's right here.
Oh, great! Wow, there are so many products here. Look at all these face creams and lotions. Which one should I choose?
Let me look at some of them with you. How about this one? It says for dry skin on the box. That's what you need, right?
Yes, that's exactly what I need. Let me see it. Oh, this one looks good. It's for dry skin, and it looks gentle on the skin.
And it's not too expensive either. I think it's a good price for a face cream.
You're right about the price. I like it. But wait, let me look at this other one too. This one says extra moisture on the front.
Extra moisture. That sounds good for very dry skin.
Yes, it does. But let me check the price. It's a little more expensive than the first one.
How much more is it? Is it a big difference?
It's about $3 more, so it's not a huge difference, but still a little more. I think the first one is fine for now. I can always come back and try the other one later.
Yeah, I think that's a smart idea. You can try the cheaper one first and see if you like it.
Okay, I think I'll take this one, the one for dry skin. This one will be good for me.
Good choice. I think it'll work well for you. Do you need anything else?
Let me think. Oh, right. I also want to get a face wash. Let me look for one around here.
I think the face wash products are right next to the face cream. Look, they're on the shelf below.
Oh, you're right. Thanks, Ken. Let me see. Okay, I found one. This face wash is for sensitive skin. That's perfect for me. My skin is sensitive too.
Nice. That sounds like a good fit. You found everything you wanted.
Yes, I did. I'm really happy. What about you, Ken? Do you need anything from this store?
Oh, right. Yes, I need toothpaste. I'm almost out of toothpaste at home. I keep forgetting to buy more.
You always forget things like that. Toothpaste, right? Okay, I think I saw toothpaste near the front of the store when we walked in.
Really? That's great. Let's go look for it together.
Yes, come on. It's over here. I remember seeing it near this area. See? Here is the toothpaste section. There are lots of different kinds.
Oh, you're right. There are so many kinds. Which one is good? They all look the same to me.
They're not all the same. I use this brand at home. It's good, and it's not too expensive. How about this one?
Okay, if you use this brand, I'm sure it's good. I'll take this one. Thanks for helping me choose, Mina.
No problem. I'm happy to help. Do you need anything else while we're here?
Let me think for a moment. Actually, maybe I should get some hand soap too. I think we're running low on hand soap at home.
Hand soap? Good idea. It might be in the same area as the toothpaste. Let me look around.
Oh, wait, I think I see it. It's right there, on the next shelf, right next to the toothpaste.
Oh, you found it. That was easy. Good job, Ken.
Thanks. I'll get this one. It smells nice, too. Okay, I think I have everything I need now.
Me too. I have my face cream and my face wash, and you have your toothpaste and hand soap. Are you ready to go pay?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go to the register and pay.
Okay, I think the register is at the front of the store. Let's go.
Hi there. I'd like to buy these, please.
Sure. Let me scan these for you. Okay, 1 face cream, 1 face wash, 1 toothpaste, and 1 hand soap. Is that everything?
Yes, that's everything for today.
Great. Do you have our store card? You can earn points with it.
No, I don't have one. Sorry.
That's okay. Would you like to make one today? It's free and it's very quick.
That sounds nice, but not today. Maybe next time. Thank you, though.
No problem. You can make one anytime. Okay, so your total is $15.49.
$15.49. Okay, sounds good.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
I'll pay by card, please.
Of course. Please put your card into the machine right here.
Okay. Like this?
Yes, that's right. Please wait a moment.
Sure.
Okay, it's all set. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. Can I have a bag, please?
Of course. Here you go. Everything is in the bag.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Thank you for shopping with us today. Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Please come again.
Okay, we're all done. We got everything we needed. That was pretty easy, right?
Yes, that was really easy. I was worried at first because we couldn't find the skincare section, but the store clerk was so nice and helpful.
Yeah, she was great. She told us exactly where to go, and everything was easy to find after that.
I'm really happy with what I bought. I got a good face cream for dry skin and a gentle face wash. I can't wait to try them.
That's good. I hope the face cream works really well for your dry skin. Let me know how it goes.
I will. I'll try it tonight when I get home. What about you? Are you happy with what you got?
Yeah, I got my toothpaste and some hand soap. Nothing exciting, but I really needed them, especially the toothpaste. I was almost completely out.
Well, toothpaste is very important. It's hard to brush your teeth without it.
That's true. I'm glad I remembered to buy it today. I've been forgetting for the past week.
You should make a shopping list next time. It really helps.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I should do that. So, what do you want to do now? Should we head home?
Yes, let's go home. I'm a little tired from walking around the store.
Me too. Shopping makes me a little tired, even when it's easy.
That's true, but it was fun today. It's nice to go shopping with a friend.
I agree. It's much better than shopping alone. Thanks for inviting me, Mina.
Of course. And thank you for helping me find everything, Ken.
No problem. Anytime you need help shopping, just let me know. The train station is this way, right?
Yes, it's about a 5-minute walk from here. It's not far at all.
Good. Let's walk together. The weather is really nice today, so it'll be a good walk.
You're right. It really is a beautiful day. I had a great time today. Let's go shopping together again sometime.
Definitely. I'd really like that. Okay, let's go home now.
Okay, let's go.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What does Mina want to buy for her dry skin? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.